I wanted to ask if you could review my site to give me expectations about the state of it. And yeah, we can do that. And he asked us this question actually. I mean, he asked for an audit a while back. I'm not really sure how many weeks it's been, and it looks like since then things have not really gone too well. So
Mm.
I don't even know if this person even remembers they asked for an audit, but you're getting audited. And yeah, so here's what it looks like in Ahrefs. You can see he never had a lot of traffic. He went up to like 60 traffic, and now he's basically all the way down to 0. It looks like Google definitely got hit in a core update, August 2023, so the recent core update. And then it looks like he just
It was good.
continued to
Yeah.
drop after that.
Till he floored out, literally.
Yeah, I guess he got 3 traffic. He's got something. um,
Bots.
so
Yeah.
DR5, 104 referring domains. So, right off the bat, I guess I can
Yeah.
pull up a little bit of a bigger picture on for you guys watching the stream. So you can see the metrics. There you go. And yeah, 104 referring domains, DR5 already. You're not looking too great there, but let's go ahead and dive in. So we'll just start with
I
anchors.
already knew it. I was like, let's just go ahead and
Oh,
take
Jesus.
guesses at what's wrong with this site before we dive in. And
Like
I
all exact match
I was gonna
anchors.
say exact match anchors with spammy backlinks, guaranteed. Now we've seen the anchors. This is probably one of the worst anchor text profiles I've seen, like right out of the gate. Nothing but exact match.
Yeah.
There's some branded in here, but it's
Looks like
way
it's all
down.
blog comments. All like user generated, no follow links. Yeah. Pages that are scrolling down to like a million pages.
Yeah. Yeah,
So yeah,
so
little blog comment spam blast.
yeah, with exact match. Now, I mean, this is just beyond it, but if you're watching this show, like if you're using stuff like blog comments, homepage only with natural anchor text, whether that's branded or naked URL or something like that, but or somebody's name even. But it's not normal for, best dog toys to be commenting typically.
Yeah. Yeah, don't do that good stuff, guys. Just use your brand name or your name as the person who's writing the post and not an exact match anchor.
Yeah.
And so then I excluded subdomains from their backlinks, and out of 110 links, about 40% of them were subdomains, which means basically Web 2.0s. Let's see, what is this site even about? Okay, it's like music,
Music.
music niche.
It's got
So
169 indexed pages.
seeing a bunch of foreign language in here. Not really seeing anything about, oh, there's one link about music. There's a SoundCloud link. There's a link about music. So
Mm,
I would say the large majority of the links are not relevant,
no.
but there are some in here. There are some music stuff. There are some music things in here, but everything else is super random, just random stuff and foreign language and stuff like that. Let's do one more thing. We're gonna see links that are above DR10, above domain traffic 250. So out of 110 backlinks, we're now down to 5 links, which pass the very low bar here, which is above DR10, above 250 traffic for the entire domain. Two of those 5 are spam foreign links. One is from an SEO forum. One is another foreign link, and one is one is what is that? It's like a super long.
Mega spam.
It does look like mega spam. It's just real crazy looking. Yeah, okay, it's just like one of like some kind of scraper site. So basically, of the links that were supposed to pass the very low bar, there were 5, but actually, when you look at those 5 links that passed the very low bar, none of them we'd consider even close to being a quality link. So basically, out of 110 backlinks, 0 of them are quality, or even close to being quality. So yeah, as far as off-page goes, you've essentially blasted your website with a bunch of spam and exact match anchors. But yeah, we see this kind of thing pretty often. Maybe not this extreme. This is pretty, you went pretty hard on it.
Yeah, it's just a bad start, you know?
Yeah.
Just getting started with spam is one of the worst things really you can do.
So yeah, even before looking at the actual website itself, if this was me, I'd be considering just starting on a new domain,
Yep.
just instead of having to clean this shit up because there's nothing good there to save. Um, so you could try to continue on with the domain, but Google's already hitting you, and you just got such a rough start with the backlinks. I feel like it'd be easier to just get a clean slate, or start on a nice expired or aged domain. Which, of course, we've updated our domain inventory. We've got a ton of new domains in there, thousands of new domains. So definitely check that out. We also got
Like
I believe we're doing a sale this month, aren't? Yeah, we're doing a
10% off. Yeah.
10% sale this month. Dom10. Email us if you need more info. But anyway, do you want to go take a quick look at
Yeah,
the actual
I've been
site?
looking at it.
Okay,
It looks like he's got Ezoic running on here, which
that won't help.
I'm not a fan. And I haven't looked into it in a while, but last I checked, Ezoic was tanking sites pretty hard in the SERPs, so something to consider.
The site itself looks rough. It's like walls of text.
Yeah.
Looks like it's kind of made in the 90s. Um, Content also looks pretty thin, really.
And yeah, send like one interlink here.
This other one's a longer article. Actually has a video embedded in it, which is cool. Don't see any interlinking at all. So definitely want to do that.
It's got like maybe one link per article that I've checked. One interlink, no outbound authority linking,
Just look
walls
at,
of text, no
yeah,
images.
just looking at the URL slug as well. It doesn't really look like it's optimized. So it's kind of like this long tail type thing. Like
Yeah, and
it's got
so
like
like
extra stuff in it rather than like targeting like a specific keyword
yeah,
directly. You know what I'm saying?
like this one, it's or let's say music.com / whatever the promo link is for the product, but then also they've got their brand at the end of that perma link as well for whatever reason. So it's like just shorten that down. You don't need your brand both at the um, both in the TLD and the perma link that you've got there to an inner page.
And yeah, looking at the URLs again, they're all kind of like this. You need to do keyword research, figure out what your main keyword is, and just put that main keyword in the URL. It's the easiest way. And then you kind of want to do similar stuff with your title tag and your H1, but you can vary them up a little bit. But it looks like they're all kind of similar. Yeah, so as far as what we're seeing on the site, there's a lot that needs to be improved here as well. But yeah, so what I would do first is check out our basic on-page guide. So links a lot. Just you can search for on-page SEO. Um, you know, do your keyword research. Get the keyword in your URL. Get the keyword in your title tag. Get the keyword in your H1 or variations. I didn't even look at the rest of his headings. Looks like he's actually got the article broken up with the H tags pretty nicely, which is one good
Yeah.
thing. What are these links? It's like he's got these H3s or something that are links, but there's nothing under the sections. Anyway, there's a lot of work to be done on the site itself. Even if your off page was actually good, I think this site would have a good amount of trouble ranking just because of what you've done with the URL. Like it's like you're not really targeting the keywords properly. And that's not to mention just the kind of like walls of text and what looks like low quality, kind of like unfinished content. So yeah, I mean, can't really sugarcoat it. There's a lot of work to be done here, but you are off to a start. You can still use all of this content if you were to start over on a new site. You could move it over, improve it after you look at our on-page SEO guide, add some images in there, add some interlinking in there. We didn't really look at Eat at all. Looks like he's got a couple social profiles at the bottom. He's got an About Us page at least. Got a privacy policy, a cookie policy. So he's actually off to a little bit of a start here with
Yeah.
Eat. Not really seeing any authors listed on the articles either. You might probably going to want to do that. Just get some authors linked to your articles and author pages up. And then yeah, after that, just focus on building quality links. You know, if you're not really sure what you're doing with link building, it might be better to just let a professional do it for now, such as ourselves or linksalot.co. We could, you know, set a good foundation of link building for you, and then just start building you some quality links every month. You know, if you're in our, for example, our managed link building program is a monthly service, or you could do it yourself, but just you're going to need to not do what you did before. You know, learn the concepts of anchor text diversity, link diversity, learn what a quality backlink is, and really just focus on, you know, adding some quality in there instead of this very aggressive low quality stuff that you've built so far. Yeah, anything else to add on that, Nick?
No, I think we covered it. He's got plenty to work off of.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.